and welcome to this important and thought-provoking tutorial on ethical considerations and the future of generative AI. As generative AI becomes a bigger part of our daily lives, creating art, writing articles, designing products, and even assisting in healthcare, it's crucial that we pause and think about the responsibilities that come with such powerful technology. In today's video, we'll explore three major areas: ethical issues in generative AI, the challenges and risks we must address; regulation and governance in generative AI, how rules and policies are beginning to shape the use of AI; the future of generative AI, where the technology is headed and what it means for all of us. Whether you're new to AI or just curious about its broader impact, this session is designed to be clear, engaging, and accessible to everyone. Let's get started. First, let's talk about ethics, essentially, the right and wrong ways we can use generative AI. While generative AI has incredible potential for creativity and innovation, it also raises serious ethical concerns. Let's look at a few of the most important ones. 1. Misinformation and deepfakes. Generative AI can create realistic images, videos, and news articles that are completely fake. This opens the door to the spread of misinformation, fake news, and harmful deepfake videos, which can damage reputations, influence elections, and create social unrest. An example would be a deepfake video showing a world leader saying something they never actually said could cause massive confusion or even panic. 2. Bias and fairness. AI models learn from historical data, and if that data contains biases, such as gender, racial, or cultural stereotypes, the AI can repeat or even amplify those biases in its outputs. This can lead to unfair treatment in areas like hiring, lending, or law enforcement. An example would be if a resume screening AI was trained on biased hiring data, it might unintentionally favor certain groups over others. 3. Ownership and intellectual property. When AI generates artwork, music, or writing, who owns the result? Is it the developer, the company, or the AI itself? Copyright laws today don't fully address these new questions, creating legal uncertainty around AI-generated content. 4. Privacy violations. AI models trained on public data may unintentionally reveal private or sensitive information if not handled carefully. Respecting user privacy is critical when developing and deploying AI systems. As you can see, while generative AI opens many doors, it also creates new ethical responsibilities that we must be ready to handle. Now, let's talk about how governments, companies, and communities are starting to regulate and govern the use of generative AI. Since AI is still a relatively new field, laws and policies are still catching up. But there's growing agreement that some level of oversight is necessary. Here's how regulation is shaping up. 1. Transparency requirements. Organizations are being pushed to disclose when content is AI generated, so users know what they are looking at. Transparency helps build trust and prevents accidental misinformation. For example, labeling AI-generated images or videos to make it clear they are not real. 2. Bias audits and fairness standards. Some governments are proposing laws that would require AI systems to be tested for bias before they are deployed. Developers might also need to provide explanations for how their AI systems make decisions. 3. Restrictions on harmful uses. Regulations are being designed to ban or limit the use of AI in sensitive areas like surveillance, facial recognition, deepfake creation without consent. For example, some countries have already banned unauthorized deepfake content, especially involving political figures or private citizens. 4. Global cooperation. Since AI knows no borders, there's a push for international collaboration on AI ethics and governance. Organizations like the OECD, UNESCO, and the European Union are working on common AI guidelines that can be adopted worldwide. An example of this is the ISO/IEC 42000 series, published by the International Organization for Standardization ISO, and the International Electrotechnical Commission IEC. It provides comprehensive guidance for the governance, risk management, and control of AI systems. In short, governance of AI is evolving, but it's clear that thoughtful regulation will be key to ensuring AI benefits everyone fairly and safely. Finally, let's look ahead. Where is generative AI going? The future of generative AI is both exciting and challenging. Here are some trends you can expect to see. 1. More personalized AI experiences. AI will create customized content for individuals, like personalized news feeds, fitness plans, music playlists, and even customized learning courses based on your style and interests. 2. Smarter and more context-aware AI. Future AI models will not just generate content but understand deeper context, meaning they'll be able to reason, explain decisions, and adapt to changing situations more naturally. 3. AI in creative industries. Expect to see AI co-creating with artists, filmmakers, and writers, becoming a partner in human creativity rather than a replacement. AI tools will assist professionals in design, advertising, filmmaking, architecture, and music composition. 4. Greater emphasis on responsible AI. Developers, businesses, and governments will put stronger safeguards in place to ensure AI is used ethically. AI ethics will become a standard part of product development, just like cybersecurity is today. 5. AI for good. Beyond profit, AI will be used to tackle global challenges, like fighting climate change, advancing medical research, improving education, and making knowledge more accessible around the world. Let's quickly review what we covered. Ethical issues in generative AI include misinformation, bias, ownership, and privacy concerns. Regulation and governance are being developed to ensure transparency, fairness, and responsible use of AI. The future of generative AI holds incredible opportunities, smarter systems, more personalized experiences, and powerful new tools for good, balanced by the need for careful ethical management. Generative AI is reshaping our world. It's up to all of us, developers, businesses, governments, and users, to ensure that we guide its growth responsibly and thoughtfully. Before you go, take your learning to the next level. Click the link in the description to access this lesson inside the MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System. There, you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on labs, and real-world projects designed to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore our full catalog of advanced, hands-on courses and downloadable resources, all created to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Ready to gain real industry experience? Work on practical projects, collaborate with other professionals, and build a strong GitHub portfolio that sets you apart and accelerates your career. Click the work experience link in the description below to register your interest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. Thank you for watching.